Question number 1. A piece of wire of resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. These parts are then connected in parallel. If the equivalent resistance combination is R, then the ratio R by R dash is a wire of R resistance cut into 5 pieces and then connected in parallel combination. Each of resistance R by 5, R by 5, R by 5, R by 5, R by 5. 1 by R dash is equal to 1 by R by 5 plus 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 1 by R by 5. 1 by R dash is equal to 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R. R dash is equal to R by 25. R by R dash is equal to R upon R dash is equal to R by 25. R by 25, R cancelled, R by R dash is equal to 25. D option is correct. Question number 2. Which of the following terms does not represent electrical power in a circuit? P is equal to V I. V is equal to IR. Then P is equal to I square R. I is equal to V by R. Then P is equal to V square by R. B option is not represent electrical power. Correct answer is B, IR square. Question number 3. An electric bulb is rated to 20 volt and 100 watt. When it is operated on 110 volt, the power consumed will be power is equal to voltage square upon resistance. R is equal to V square upon P. R is equal to 220 का whole square upon 100. R is equal to 220 into 220 divided by 100. R is equal to 484 ohm. V is equal to 110 volt. P is equal to V square by R. T is equal to 110 का whole square divided by 484 is equal to 110 into 110 divided by 484. Power is equal to 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25 watt. D option is correct, 25 watt. Question number 4. Two conducting wires of the same material and equal length and equal diameters are first connected in series and then parallel in a circuit across the same potential difference. The ratio of heat produced in series and in parallel combination would be. In series combination, both wires connect in series, resistance R series is equal to R plus R is equal to 2R. In parallel combination, both wire connected parallel, resistance is R. In parallel, R equivalent 1 by R. P is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R is equal to 2 by R. R equivalent in parallel, Rp is equal to R by 2. Heat produced in series upon heat produced in parallel is equal to V square by R in series into T upon V square divided by Rp into T. V square and T cancel out each other. Heat produced in series upon heat produced in parallel combination is equal to Rp upon Rs. Rp is equal to R by 2. Rs is equal to 2R is equal to R divided by 4R. Heat produced in series upon heat produced in parallel combination is equal to 1 by 4. Ratio is 1:4. C option is correct. Question number 5. How is a voltmeter connected in the circuit to measure the potential difference between 2 points? To measure the potential difference between the 2 points, a voltmeter should be connected in parallel to the points. Question number 6. A copper wire has diameter 0.5 mm and resistivity of 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. What will be the length of this wire to make its resistance 10 ohm? How much does the resistance change if the diameter is doubled? Area of cross section of the wire A is equal to pi d by 2 का whole square or pi r square. R is equal to d by 2. Diameter d is equal to 0.5 mm is equal to 0.0005 meter. Resistance R is equal to 10 ohm. R is equal to rho L by A. L is equal to R A by rho. L is equal to 10 into 3.14 into 0.0005 upon 2 का whole square divided by 1.6 into 10 की power minus 8 is equal to 10 into 3.14 into 25 divided by 4 into 1.6 is equal to 122.7 meter. Therefore, length of the wire is equal to 122.7 meter. If the diameter of the wire is doubled, new diameter is equal to 2 into 0.5 is equal to 1 meter is equal to 0.001 meter. Let new resistance P R dash is equal to rho L by A. R dash is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 122.72 divided by pi into 1 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 का whole square. R is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 122.7 into 4 divided by 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 6. R is equal to 250.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to 2.5 ohm. Length of the wire is 122.7 meter and the new resistance is 2.5 ohm. Question number 7. The values of current I flowing in a given resistor for the corresponding values of potential difference V across the resistor are given below. I amperes 0.5, 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0. V volts 1.6, 3.4, 6.7, 10.2, 13.2. Plot a graph between voltage and current and calculate the resistance of that resistor. The plot between voltage and current is called IV characteristic. The voltage is plotted on x-axis and current is plotted on y-axis. The values of the current for different values of the voltage are shown. V volts 1.6, 3.4, 6.7, 10.2, 13.2. I ampere 0.5, 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0. The IV characteristic of the given resistor is plotted. Current on y-axis, voltage on x-axis, voltage difference is 6.8, current is 2 ampere. The slope of the line gives the value of resistance. Slope is equal to 1 by R is equal to BC upon AC is equal to 2 by 6.8. R is equal to 6.8 divided by 2 is equal to 3.4. Therefore, the resistance of the resistor is 3.4 ohm. Question number 8. When a 12-volt battery is connected across an unknown resistor, there is a current of 2.5 milliampere in the circuit. Find the value of the resistance of the resistor. Resistance R of a resistor is given by Ohm's law as V is equal to IR. R is equal to V by I. Potential difference V is equal to 12 volt. Current in the circuit I is equal to 2.5 milliampere is equal to 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. R is equal to 12 upon 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to 4.8 into 10 to the power 3 ohm is equal to 4 kilo ohm. The resistance of the resistor is 4.8 kilo ohm. Question number 9. A battery of 9 volt is connected in series with resistor of 0.2 ohm, 0.3 ohm, 0.4 ohm, 0.5 ohm and 12 ohm respectively. How much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistor? There is no current division occurring in a series circuit. Current flow through the component is the same given by Ohm's law as V is equal to IR. I is equal to V by R. R is the equivalent resistance of resistances 0.2 ohm, 0.3 ohm, 0.4 ohm, 0.5 ohm and 12 ohm. These are connected in series. Hence, the sum of the resistance will give the value of R. R is equal to 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.4 plus 0.5 plus 12 is equal to 13.4 ohm. Potential difference V is equal to 9 volt. I is equal to V by R. I is equal to 9 by 13.4 is equal to 0.671 ampere. The current that would flow through the 12 ohm. Question number 10. How many 176 ohm resistors in parallel are required to carry 5 ampere on a 220 volt line? For X number of resistors of resistance 176 ohm, the equivalent resistance of the resistors connected in parallel is given by Ohm's law as V is equal to IR. R is equal to V by I. Supply voltage V is equal to 220 volt. Current I is equal to 5 ampere. Equivalent resistance of the combination is equal to R, given as 1 by R is equal to X into 1 by 176. R is equal to 176 upon X. From Ohm's law, V by I is equal to 176 upon X. X is equal to 176 into Y upon V is equal to 176 into 5 upon 220 is equal to 4. 4 resistors of 176 ohm are required to draw the given amount of current. Question number 11. Show how you would connect 3 resistors, each of resistance 6 ohm, so that the combination has a resistance of first 9 ohm, second 4 ohm. If we connect the resistors in series, then the equivalent resistance will be the sum of the resistors, that is 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 18 ohm, which is not desired. If we connect the resistors in parallel, then the equivalent resistance will be 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is equal to R equivalent is equal to 6 by 3 is equal to 2 ohm, which is not desired. Hence we should either A. 2 resistors in parallel. तो 6 ओम के रजिस्टर्स पैरेलल में हैं, दोनों पैरेलल रजिस्टर्स एक 6 ओम रजिस्टर के साथ सीरीज में है. पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is equal to 2 by 6. R equivalent is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3 ohm. 3 ohm 6 ohm रजिस्टर के साथ सीरीज में है. इन सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन R equivalent is equal to 3 plus 6 is equal to 9 ohm. फर्स्ट पार्ट कंप्लीट. B. 2 रजिस्टर्स इन सीरीज. तो 6 ओम के रजिस्टर सीरीज में हैं और दोनों रजिस्टर एक 6 ओम रजिस्टर के साथ पैरेलल में है. इन सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन R equivalent is equal to 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 ohm. 12 ओम रजिस्टर 6 ओम रजिस्टर के साथ पैरेलल में है. इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 is equal to R equivalent is equal to 12 by 3 is equal to 4 ohm. Question number 13. A hot plate of an electric oven connected to a 220 volt line has 2 resistance coils A and B, each of 24 ohm resistance, which may be used separately, in series or in parallel. What are the currents in the 3 cases? Supply voltage V is equal to 220 volt, resistance of 1 coil R is equal to 24 ohm. First, coils are used separately. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to I1 upon R1. I1 is the current flowing through the coil. I1 is equal to V by R1 is equal to 220 upon 24 is equal to 9.166 ampere. Therefore, 9.166 ampere current will flow through the coil. When used separately. Second part, coils connected in series. Total resistance R2 is equal to 24 ohm plus 24 ohm is equal to 48 ohm. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to I2 R2. I2 is the current flowing through the series circuit. I2 is equal to V by R2 is equal to 220 upon 48 is equal to 4.58 ampere. Therefore, 4.58 ampere current will flow through the circuit when the coils are connected in series. Question number 13, part 3rd. Coils are connected in parallel. Total resistance R3 is given as is equal to 1 by R3 is equal to 1 by 24 plus 1 by 24 is equal to 2 by 24. R3 is equal to 24 upon 2 is equal to 12 ohm. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to I3 R3. I3 is the current flowing through the circuit. I3 is equal to V by R3. I3 is equal to 220 upon 12 is equal to 18.33 ampere. Therefore, 18.33 ampere current will flow through the circuit when coils are connected in parallel. Question number 14. Compare the power used in the 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuits. First, a 6 volt battery in series with 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. And second, a 4 volt battery in parallel with 12 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. First, potential difference V is equal to 6 volt. 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistors are connected in series. Therefore, equivalent resistance of the circuit R is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 ohm. V is equal to IR. I is the current through the circuit. I is equal to V by R is equal to 6 by 3 is equal to 2 ampere. The current will flow through each component of the circuit because there is no division of current in series circuits. Hence, current flowing through the 2 ohm resistor is 2 ampere. Power is given by the expression P is equal to I square R is equal to 2 का whole square into 2 is equal to 8 watt. Second, potential difference V is equal to 4 volt. 12 ohm and 2 ohm resistors are connected in parallel. The voltage across each component of the parallel circuit remains the same. Hence, voltage across 2 ohm resistors will be 4 volt. P is equal to V square by R is equal to 4 का whole square divided by 2 is equal to 8 watt. Therefore, the power is used by 2 ohm resistor is 8 watt. Question number 15. Two lamps, one rated 100 watt at 220 volt and the other 60 watt at 220 volt are connected in parallel to electric main supply. What current is drawn from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volt? Both the bulbs are connected in parallel. Therefore, potential difference across each of them will be 220 volt because no division of voltage occurs in a parallel circuit. Current drawn by the rating 100 watt is given by power is equal to voltage into current. Current is equal to power divided by voltage is equal to 60 divided by 220 ampere. Hence, current drawn from the line is equal to 100 divided by 220 plus 60 divided by 220 is equal to 0.727 ampere. Question number 16. Which uses more energy, 250 watt TV set in 1 hour or a toaster in 10 minutes? Energy consumed by an electric appliance is given by the expression H is equal to power into time. P is power of appliance, T is time. Energy consumed by a TV set of power 250 watt in 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Is equal to 250 into 3600 is equal to 9 into 10 की power 5 joule. Energy consumed by a toaster of power 1200 watt in 10 minutes is equal to 1200 into 10 minute is equal to 600 second. 600 is equal to 7.2 into 10 की power 5 joule. The energy consumed by a 250 watt TV set in 1 hour is more than the energy consumed by a toaster of power 1200 watt in 10 minutes. Question number 17. An electric heater of resistance 8 ohm draws 15 ampere from the service mains 2 hours. Calculate the rate at which heat is developed in the heater. Rate of heat is produced by a given device by the expression for power as P is equal to I square R. I is current, R is resistance. R is equal to 8 ohm, I is equal to 15 ampere. P is equal to 15 का whole square into 8 is equal to 1800 joule per second. Heat is produced by the heater is at the rate of 1800 joule per second. Question number 18A. Why is tungsten used almost exclusively for filament of electric lamps? The melting point and of tungsten is an alloy which has very high melting point and very high resistivity at a high temperature. Question number 18. B. Why are the conductors of electric heating devices such as bread toaster and electric irons made of an alloy rather than a pure metal? The conductors of electric heating devices such as bread toasters and electric irons are made of alloy because resistivity of an alloy is more than that of metals, which produces large amount of heat. Question number 18. C. Why is the series arrangement not used for domestic circuits? In series circuits, voltage is divided. Each component of a series circuit receives a small voltage. So the amount of current decreases and the device becomes hot and does not work properly. Hence, series arrangement is not used in domestic circuits. Question number 18D. How does the resistance of a wire vary with its area of cross section? Resistance R of the wire is inversely proportional to its area of cross section A. R is directly proportional to 1 by A, that is, when area of cross section increases, the resistance decreases, or vice versa. Question number 18E. Why are the copper and aluminum wires usually employed for electricity transmission? Copper and aluminum are good conductors of electricity. Also, they have low resistivity, so they are usually used for electric transition.